there's something, guys, I just want to ask you a very, very simple question. How do you prepare when you have a special guest? How do you prepare yourself? How do you prepare around your home? Just drop your comment down in the comment section. For me, this is how I start my preparation. So, good morning, guys. I've just woken up, and these are just chicks from my neighbor. So they come over here, but mine are locked in. So, guys, welcome to my home. Kuja mama. I have a small child here. So guys, you know, in the village, when you wake up, the first thing you do is take breakfast. You know, and the best thing with my mother, you know, our mothers knows how to take care of their sons and you know, the family. So guys, apa songa? Guys, today I'm thinking that I have to do something. Some cleanliness in the house and all. Wow, guys, today is cleanliness day, and guys, you know, I have a special guest who is gonna come anytime. Anytime. So maybe in this video I will just give you a brief about the visitor who's gonna come. So guys, I have to clean up. Yeah, I have to clean up. Even my house has to be clean, and also I will be preparing the room for her. So stay tuned, guys. So I have to wash and wash and wash. So yeah, today is what I'm gonna do, the cleanliness, because our visitor might arrive here by tomorrow. So I have to clean up some clothes here, at least for me to look neat, because I have this special guest who is gonna come to this place, and my compound looks like dirty, but I'm gonna do something about it. So guys, what I want you to do is that stay tuned, because there's something, guys, I just want to ask you a very, very simple question. How do you prepare when you have a special guest? How do you prepare yourself? How do you prepare around your home? Drop in the comment section, because guys, in this video I'm preparing for the guest, special guest who's gonna come. So guys, stay tuned, and I want you to watch this video to the end, because guys, I have just started with cleanliness by cleaning clothes, and you can see there. So I'm preparing to start cleaning the clothes. So let me pick some patience so that I can start cleaning, and then I will be showing you what the preparations that I'm doing from today, because my guest might arrive anytime from today. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, man. I'm really really excited for this. So this is the patient I'm just come to pick, so that because I want to do it as fast as possible. So I need to clean up very, very, very fast. And this is our borehole. This is where we get water from. You can see the water is really very, very close. Yeah, very, very close. Yeah, and this is my niece. Yeah. Mama. Okay. Toto, kujuka hapa. So that is it, guys. So you have to do, guys. How do you prepare yourself when you have a visitor, a special guest, especially men? How do you prepare yourself? Just drop your comment down in the comment section. Tell me how you prepare yourself when you have a special guest. For me, this is how I start my preparation, by cleaning up. I have a lot of clothes that I need to clean up, because I've used them for the last 1 week, piling them. So today I want to finish them, and then I move to the next chapter. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to take you step by step how to prepare for our guests. Wow. So, I've finished my cleanliness of today. So you can see I'm finished. So I need to go and look at the room where my visitor will be sleeping. So oh my goodness. So this is where let me go this. Okay, I need to prepare. Maybe I'm gonna fix this bed, but I have another bed that I think I'm gonna bring it here, so that my visitor will sleep in this room. So I think, guys, I'm gonna fix one bed, not this one. I have another one that I'm gonna bring and fix it here, so that I can have the guests here. So just to do something here. Because the other side, this is a store. There's some lot of things inside there. Yeah. Some food stuffs. The toilet, but it's not working by now. So yeah, and this one here, it is also, it is not yet finished, you can see. So need to do something. So guys, I have to prepare this bed. I have to remove it from here. I put it there because I want to put another bed here. Yeah, because I was preparing. This room used to be, my mother used to sleep here, but she has to go back to her room, and I've put her bed already. So I'm going to put this bed here, because this is the room where my visitor will be sleeping, and this is the net. You know, in Kenya we have a net to prevent mosquitoes. So this is the net. I've already put it so that she cannot get malaria. So stay tuned, guys, and watch this video to the end kindly. Leta maji. So guys, well, I'm done with the preparation of the room where my guest will be staying. Yeah, she will have something. Maybe I will put a table there and a chair. Maybe she'll be doing her own things around here, and she'll be sleeping here comfortably. This is my first bed I bought when I finished school. This is my first bed, so she will be sleeping here, yeah, in this room, and she will be having a window. She will be looking towards our neighbor here. So it is so cool. So I hope she will be comfortable. Yeah, that is it. So guys, stay tuned and kindly watch this video to the end, because guys, tomorrow is the big day. So expecting a very, very important guest. So yeah, that is it. So stay tuned, and we are almost done. So I need to go to my other room, my house, and do something there. So as we wait for the vista to come, guys, one of the things that I love the most is that also my mother loves vistas. So she had to prepare some wheat or finger millets so that we can have nice fermented porridge that our vista will be taking if she would like to. So she's trying to prepare finger millet, and this is the traditional way of preparing it, moving it from, how would I say, from corn. Yeah, this how. Then from there she will be sieving it. Yeah, we call it winnowing. Now this final product, this is how it looks like now after the winnowing. So this is how she does it. Hey mama, unakula nini hiyo? So for me, I have to go up there. Yeah, I love that place because it is cool. Because I wanna go and upload video, so I need to go up. I really love there, and also the strong internet. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, yeah. This is up. Let's set it down. Let me just let it go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is a little bit distant. So guys, that is it. So I'm so excited guys because I really don't want to say more about this, but let's go guys. Maybe we will have a little bit chat. Yeah, I really love coming up this place. I really love up here, and this is where I love sitting. This is my resting point. So guys, when I'm here, I just look at this horizon. So the sun sets to the other side. Yeah. This is so amazing, man. So that is it. So guys, stay tuned because we are gonna finish this because we wanna go and start doing something. Yeah, something somewhere.